Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, different videos. I'm in now outside of my house. This is our apartments. I will show you today our apartment. I will describe what I see, then you can listen and you can see. Then you can easily understand. Guys, I'm staying this parking lot where the place people can park their vehicle. You can see people park their vehicle because today is Sunday. People staying calm in their house. Now I'm walking across to the parking lot. You can see I'm moving across to the parking lot. Now I'm going to show you the pool. Guys, you can see this apartment, one building. You can see the one building have four houses. It designed very nicely. You can see the brick wall. It's very nice, very beautiful. These all are modern house. This modern apartment. Same building you can see similar, but there are different each by each. You can see. I like this brick wall. This a brick wall, guys. This a red brick. You can see the red brick is a brick wall. Guys, this is the sidewalk. I'm walking now. This is sidewalk. You can also say side path. You can see here the summer hut where the place people can stay calm here, little resting. They can rest here. Summer hut. It's a nice place. I can sit here and stay calm. This is a pool. We can relax and rest here. We can see people here because of the rainy. This is the summer hut, guys. Summer hut means people can get their parties here, birthday parties, barbecue parties. They can celebrate here. If their house not enough for the parties, they can celebrate here. You can see it's a nice place. This is a ground area, guys. This is like a ground. Kids can play here. I saw many days kids play here. They are playing soccer here. Next to the ground, you can see a dog park. This is the dog park, guys. The dog park, it is not common every countries, but here have dog park. People can let their dogs play and run here. You can see they can play here. It is a nice place for dogs. You can see the, the sign. You see, it's a pet park. Pet park. We can let our dogs play and run here. Guys, this is storage space. You can see this is storage space. We can rent this space. We have more stuff. We can storage here. If our house not enough, I can rent this space, then I can pack my stuff there. You can see very nice place here. It's a green color everywhere. It's a grass. I like this grass. This glass neatly cut off. This grass, this called, guys, weeds. If unnecessary thing in our garden, we can say weeds. Guys, you can see these the mailboxes. This is, guy, office. Office mean we need to pay our rental here. We can pay our rental every month here. This office, rental house. You can see the main gate. It's automatic gate. When cars approach close to the gate, it's automatically open. You can see cars are coming inside to the apartments. This is the beautiful apartment. Very nice. This is a sign, guys. You can see this is a parking lot. They have sign. That means they have only parking for disabled people. We can park here. Fire lane. You can see fire lane. Anybody can park cross this lane. That's why it's called fire lane. These visitors, anyone come outside, they can park here. Visitors place. If someone coming to visit us, they can park here their vehicles. Visitors park. This is guys soda machine. If we need any soda, we can purchase here in any time, in night time, daytime, we can purchase it. It's very good because if I thirsty in night time, I don't want to drive to outside. I can purchase here. I'll show you how to do it. I can use the coins here. Also, I can use my bank card here. But now I'm going to use my card because I don't have coins. This is my bank card. I can tap in here. You can see it's red. Authorizing. Please make a selection. Now I can select which I like. Coca-Cola, Fanta, Powerade. I like Coca-Cola. I select it, then press the button. Now I can get my Coca-Cola here. You can see it is very nice. It is very easy. Now I'm going to open this Coca-Cola. It's open, twist open. It's twist open. Now I'm drinking. I'm drinking. It's cold. That is a kids playing ground. Very small kids they can play here. It is very nice. You can see. Okay, guys, I showed you briefly our apartment. You can see it and you can easily understand. Then you can like my video, keep thumbs up, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.